Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to make an Amazon EBS volume available for use on Linux. Whenever we attach EBS volume to an EC2 instance, it will be exposed as a block device. So in order to use that volume, we have to format that volume and mount. So to format and mount an EBS volume on Linux, we have some commands. So I will first copy the public IP address of the EC2 instance and log in with Mobexterm. And log in with EC2-user and becoming root user using command sudo sv. Now to check the available devices, there is a command lsblk. So you can see that XVDA has 10 GB and XVDF has 150 GB. Now to get the information about the specific device such as its file system, there is a command file-s. So we can see what is the file system of XVDF. File-s dev/xvdf. Here you can see the output as it is showing simply data. So that means there is no file system on this device. There is a command to get the information about all of the devices attached to the instance. The command is lsblk-f. So you can see that XVDA and XVDF are the devices which are attached. To create a file system on the volume, there is a command mkfs-t which creates a file system on the volume. So mkfs-t xfs So we have created a file system. Now you can see that XVDF has a file system xfs. Now to mount this XVDF, we have to create a directory. So to create a directory, there is a command mkdir and directory name. Now to mount on this directory TutorialsFor, there is a command mount then our directory name. Now to verify, there is a command df -t capital Th. So now you can see that dev xvdf is having file system xfs and is mounted on tutorials for directory. So like this we format and mount the volume. So that's it in this video. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.